Hey, this is Matt Papke. This is my Green Box testimony. Guys, I am a freedom fighter. Like, that is what's in my blood. I joined the Marine Corps to serve my country. And let me tell you, the reason I joined this organization is because in this green box, and maybe you're like me, there's a lot of stuff, but in this green box, there is an amazing talk called Camel in the Tent. And if you haven't listened to it, go listen to it. Camel in the Tent, right there. And it's about the Federal Reserve. If you don't know what the Federal Reserve is, you need to figure that out. But you know what? I joined it because I was passionate about freedom and I wanted to help other people see what I saw. But what I've gotten out of this has blown my wildest expectations away. Angela and I have together saved about $1,200 a month just by applying the information in this green box, in this book, the 47 principles that you need. We have saved $1,200 a month. We've reduced our tax liability. What do? We help people pay less taxes, make more money, and get out of debt. Or get out of debt, make more money, pay less taxes. Like, it is amazing, guys. This is only 120 bucks. And if you can't figure out how to save 120 bucks a month, you're doing something wrong. Like, it's in the trunk of your car. You never opened it in the first place. This is absolutely incredible. Not only have we saved $1,200 a month doing this, we have been able to come together as a couple and talk about money. Now, I don't know, maybe your situation's different, but before, when Angela and I would try to have a conversation about money, it ended in a fight and a blow up, and one of us would leave the room and nothing was accomplished, and we were just resentful. So now we can actually have conversations about money. Not only that, Caden, who's going to be 10 here in a few days, now is starting to understand the 47 principles. Guys, get this in your life. Get out of debt, make more money, and pay less taxes. Get this green box and get it today.